Well, good morning, or good evening, everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida. It is a hot one today, and as always, things are always taking place. What we got here just now in the mail is a lock. This guy actually sent it to me from California. He actually called me on Saturday. I'm not going to show you his name, but I'm going to show you Toll House, Canada. Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, $5.50 to send this out. And he called me last week. He said, Eddy, I saw your YouTube video and I need a key made for my motorcycle lock. I said, no problem, send it over. What do you have? He said, I got a VH600 Honda, I don't know what, Shadow or something. So I said, okay, mail it out to me. Well, today it has arrived. So let's take a look at what we got here. We got the lock. Let's see what it says here. Shipped to Eddy, Shipek, 2534 Garden Drive South. Hi, Eddy. This is John. I'm glad I found your YouTube video. I'm working on getting this 96 Honda Shadow VT 600 CD running. Kind of hard to do it without a key. Thanks for taking the time to help. Very much appreciated. Here's my information. He give me the email, give me his cell phone, his home address in Toll House, California. Now, for you locksmiths out there, what I posted last week, stolen scooter, stolen motorcycle, stolen. Yeah. Okay, guys, for you locksmiths who are out there in California, you need to start playing some catch-up ball, all right? So with over 7,000 videos on YouTube showing what we do, whether they're coming from Florida, California, Philadelphia, Pittsburgh, San Clemente, wherever it may be, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy's here to help you. So now what we have here, this is a Honda motorcycle switch, all right? There it is. You can see a very basic switch. It's a what did he tell me? It was 1996 VH600. All right, I used to have a Honda Shadow. I don't remember what was it, a 750 or a 700 Magna at that particular point in time. But anyway, what we have here is a Honda ignition switch. Now, most of the older Hondas, if not all of them, you can see it's a simple 3-wire connection. He needs a key made. Now, for those of you locksmiths, which I'm sure most of you already know, but some of you had some locksmiths down in Australia. We're getting started, and I'm here to help you. That's right, I'm here to help you. I've been doing this for over 40 years. I know the game better than anybody. And when it comes to marketing and advertising, Mr. Sunshine, the Lock Star Superstar, as I was called sarcastically on the Locksmith Network, I am here to help. All right, so on the ignition switch, let's take a look here. There's always a code. And there it is. There's your code, 5GLC74. All right, now, for those of you that don't know that code, it would mean nothing to the average person, but for a locksmith that's been doing these for, again, 40 years, the C74 is actually the code for this lock. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over there, and I'm going to make a key. We're going to actually look it up on the Code Max. I actually have the generic code. We're actually going to just do the video of making the key right now. All right. So let me just get this down. My mouse isn't working at this time. So we're going to turn this down here. And we'll go to the code numbers. All right. This is generic code. We're going to push in C74. All right. We're going to search for that. And we're going to slide down until we find, there's a lot of them here. German Auto, Grand Prix, Honda. Here's Honda motorcycles, 83 and up. That's what we want right there. All right. And according to that, we're going to see the view key. And what it is an Ilco X138, which is a, what is that, HD 75, I think. And yes, it is a HD 75 because they use HD 74 or the reverse HD 75. The cuts on this are 3 HD, wait a minute, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2 are the cuts. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. So what we're going to do is C40. No, the cut is here is Yeah, it's C74. And C74 is the cut. So the cuts we're going to use are 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. So let's go over here. Let's find a key, HD 75. Where is that HD 75? Honda, HD 75. There's your blank. Let's see if it's even going to go in to make sure. The key fits in there beautifully. So we're almost there. Now we can cut this on the framing. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to cut this here on the Code Max. Let me get the Code Max going up here. And here we go. Let's get this up and running. We're going to just make the key while we're doing it right here, okay? This way I can save from doing 2 videos. We'll just knock it all out in one, all right? The DSD number on a Honda motorcycle is, in fact, number 406. So let's put DSD 406, enter. Honda motorcycles, okay? Use the stop gauge, enter the bidding. The bidding that it said was 32112. Oh, 3, enter bidding. 3, the fuck is wrong here? What do I have wrong? Enter bidding. No code. 3. What the fuck did I do here? Let's go back. Clear it. Clear it. Let it test up here. Gotta let it scan up. DSD number 406. 406. Enter. Honda motorcycles. Okay, use the chip. Enter the biddings. Would be 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Something's wrong here. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Probably gonna have to restart the machine. That's not good. Of course, when we're doing a live video, it actually doesn't work, but we'll get it. Put this down. Let's shut the machine off. Turn it back on. Let's let it go through its cycling here. All right. ESD number 406. Enter. Honda Cycles. Use the bidding. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. Enter. Start. There we go. It needed to restart the machine. It was probably running all day today. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut this key. There it is, cutting it automatically. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2. All right, now we're going to flip this thing around, which I got to set the camera down. Just hold it here. Key around, hit start. Three, 2, 1, 1, 2. Let's pull that out. Let's go take this back over here. This up. Let's see what we got here. And there you have it. There's your key for my big friend John, my client in Toll House, California. There's your key. Operates perfectly. This is going to operate your gas cap. It's actually going to operate the helmet lock that's on the side. You are good to go. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine, Lockstar, Superstar, Locksmith Eddy. We're going to go ahead and we're going to box this back up. We're going to call him. We're going to get a credit card number over the phone. And we're done. There it is. You have it. Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy. with another key and another client. If you have a lock, you need a key made. I don't care what it is. I don't do transponders or anything like that, but all the classic cars, whatever it is, motorcycles, scooters, you name it, I can do it. Pick up that phone, 561-693-8636. Coming to you live here in sunny South Florida. Thank you for watching.